How to fix TikTok privacy settings. So if you want to fix TikTok privacy settings, then first of all open up your TikTok application and then go for profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right corner, which has that three-bar icon. Go for settings and privacy, and here on the second option you will have privacy. Go for privacy, and here you will have all of your privacy settings. So if you want to like turn your account to a private account, then you can go and simply turn on that private account. And if you want to turn on your active status, you can turn that on, or if you want to turn that off, then you can turn that off. Or you can also suggest your account to others by syncing your contacts, or by syncing your Facebook friends, or the people who open or send links to you. You can suggest your account to the people by simply turning that on, or you can also go for sync contacts and Facebook friends, which is the same thing. And under interactions you will have this comments. You can open that, and here you can edit the privacy of your comments. Like if you don't want to if you don't want anyone to comment on your video, then you can tap on that and then choose no one. And you can do that with all of these options. Like you can if you don't want to, like if you don't want anyone to tag you or to mention you in something, then you can turn that off, or you can go for no one. And if you don't want anyone to message you, then you can choose that and tap on that and go for no one, so that no one can message you. And that's it. You can do that with all of these: story, duet, stitch, stickers, downloads, following list, and liked videos, favorite sounds, post views, profile views, and blocked accounts. You can do that. You can also view your blocked accounts, the person whom you have blocked. And that's it. You can do all of these privacy settings from these options. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.